Welcome friends. Today this is the same session which I already completed, but why I am started because many of subscriber or viewer wants the session in English also. Because my friends from south side not able to understand the Hindi completely. So I am going to complete this course in English also. So how we start? We start with the session 1, creation of company. Then session 2, define chart of account, assign company code, define business area if required, define account group, define retain earning account. Then in session 3, session 4, it's like same which is similar to my Hindi session. So let's start with the session 1. So I have decided to a company code, let's suppose 987, right? Or we can say South ST01. So we are going to take ST01. So the company, defined company is client level or company level. This is also an important topic because when we go for an interview, then interviewer always asks related to these type of things. So I try to cover these also. Define company, it's always on the client level. Okay, let's start the T code OX15. Now go to OX15, new company, what we said, ST01. Then company name, South Asia. South India Limited. Then street, ABC, city, country IN, country India, language key English, currency IN. Then save. Back. Coming to the next code, creation of company code OX02. OX02. Then new entry, company code ST01. Then South India Limited. Then city, Kerala, IN, India, currency INR, language PA. Save. Now we have to enter the address, company, South India, search from test. Then country IN, mandatory. Okay. Now we have to assign this company to company code. So the T code is OX16. Go to OX16, then find company code ST01. So there ST01, ST01, then save. So this is the session 1. Thank you. Thanks for watching.